Wildfires are often described as unavoidable. They are not. Fire behavior is controlled by moisture, fuel continuity, and temperature. All three are biological variables. Degraded land amplifies fire risk. Bare soil heats rapidly. Dry vegetation accumulates. Uniform plant layers allow fire to spread without interruption. This creates explosive fire behavior. Restored ecosystems behave differently. Living ground cover retains moisture. Shaded soils stay cooler. Diverse plant heights disrupt flame spread. Roots pull moisture upward from depth. Transpiration humidifies the air near the surface. Humidity reduces ignition probability. Soil moisture acts as a thermal sink. It absorbs heat instead of amplifying it. Fuel still exists, but it is damp, fragmented, and discontinuous. Fire slows down, intensity drops. Natural barriers reappear. Correctly managed grazing reduces fuel loads without sterilizing ecosystems. Timing matters more than removal. Fire suppression without ecological repair creates a feedback trap. Fuel accumulates, fires grow larger. Suppression fails catastrophically. Biological prevention breaks this loop. Fire becomes a tool again, not a threat. Large-scale restoration reduces fire risk more effectively than firefighting budgets. Fire is not the enemy, runaway fire is. And runaway fire is a sign that biology has been removed from the system.